If you want to start a fire or do a really nice flambe very quickly, look at this torch. Like, I think this thing looks fantastic. Super industrial looking. Love the fact that it actually comes with a little stand, like a little stand that you can literally just keep anywhere. And then, I mean, it could stay on its own, but I love the fact that it's kind of organized and put together like this. So we're gonna take this off, and I wanna show you a couple of things. Of course, we see the canister. Here is where you're gonna have the butane. I'm expecting the butane to be put in right here. So we're gonna do that in just a second. But first, let's look at the locking mechanism, because there is a lock right there that will prevent for the trigger to go. As you can see, if trigger goes, trigger stops. I think that's a really, really nice feature, especially around people that don't know that it's a torch, right? And then you have another one right here. So right now I'm on the off position. If I go like this, it's locked. Again, second safety feature. I think that's great. You press that button and you turn it on. Now it's on, and now it's on. Now I would literally be able to go. There's a little bit of butane, I can see it. So I'm gonna be very, very careful right now. So we're going to turn it off and add some butane and see what kind of flame we're looking at. Because I love being able to, if you're gonna do like a barbecue, an actual barbecue, get some coals ready. I'm not gonna go too much, but see, it's very, very easy to just go in there. Now we're good. But yeah, love that those nice flames. That's what's important. If I'm going to go and I wanna go under charcoal and things like that, super important to have something that's actually going to do the job. So let's turn it on. I'm gonna be very careful. Now, right now I'm on, and unlock. Whoa. So this is what we're talking about. This, look at this. This is going on and on and on. So the trigger is literally on. So this is why it's very important to have this turn off button. So it is a torch that's going to be continuously on. You have to understand that. But at least it's very simple to just have it. So it's kind of like almost like a gas tank for a barbecue, right? You turn it on, you know it's on, and I'm going. When I'm done, just turn it off. That's exactly how it works. The thrower is really nice. It's a really nice, clean flame. It's not flickering all over the place. Means that the actual engine in here, not the engine, but the actual tube and hose actually is good quality. Love the build as well. This is full metal encasing, which is a really nice build to have. All of it is metal, except for those little parts here that are plastic, but all of the important parts are all metal. But yeah, definitely a really, really nice torch.